Roborock F25 versus Dyson WashG1. If you're cleaning hard floors in a busy home, one of these is a clear winner for you, and the other will collect dust in a corner. They're in a similar range, but they're built around completely different priorities. Choosing wrong means spending real money on a machine you stop using after a month. There are two types of people here: the one who wants a single machine that vacuums, mops, and cleans itself with minimal effort, and the one who just wants the best possible wet clean, nothing more. Let's figure out which one that is for you. Let's start with the most important question. Which one actually cleans your floors better? On hard floors, tile, hardwood, laminate, both machines do a solid job, but in different ways. The Roborock F25 combines vacuuming and mopping in a single pass, which means it picks up dry debris and wet messes at the same time. Users report it handles pet hair, sticky spills, and everyday dirt without needing to run through twice. The 20,000 Pascal suction is real. People notice it, especially coming from lower-powered wet-dry combos. The Dyson WashG1 takes a different approach entirely. No suction at all. Instead, two microfiber rollers scrub the floor simultaneously. According to most reviews, this actually leaves smooth, hard floors looking polished in a way that suction-based machines don't quite match. For dried-on grime and sticky residue, the WashG1 is genuinely impressive. Where it falls short is anything that isn't a flat, smooth surface. Textured tile, grout lines, and uneven floors are a real limitation. The community is consistent on this. The Dyson is exceptional for one specific job, and the Roborock is better across a wider range of real home situations. Now, here's something that determines whether an expensive floor cleaner actually gets used. How much work does it create after you're done cleaning? This is where the gap between these two machines becomes very clear. The Roborock F25 uses high-temperature hot air, around 194 degrees Fahrenheit, to dry and sanitize the roller after self-cleaning. You get two drying modes, a fast 5-minute cycle and a quieter 30-minute one. Users say it genuinely reduces odor and mildew buildup, and that the process feels mostly hands-off. The Dyson WashG1 has a self-clean cycle that runs in about 2.5 minutes, which sounds great on paper. In practice, the community tells a different story. Multiple reviewers flag a debris collection tray that's awkward to remove without spilling, sensors that misread tank levels, and rollers that need manual attention to avoid mildew. One reviewer described needing to blow through a straw to reset a sensor. Not exactly the premium experience you're paying for. If low-maintenance ownership matters to you, the Roborock has a meaningful edge here. Storage and charging are worth a quick mention. The Roborock requires its floor stand to charge, and there's no wall mount option. That's a real inconvenience if space is tight, or you want to keep the stick vacuum on a different floor. The Dyson's dock is more compact and straightforward. Neither is perfect, but if you're in a smaller space, the Dyson's simpler footprint is easier to live with. On reliability, the Dyson WashG1 has a documented pattern of sensor issues and tank leaks that show up in reviews often enough to concern. Dyson's warranty support also draws criticism. Some buyers report difficulty getting issues resolved unless purchased directly from Dyson. The Roborock F25 is newer with fewer long-term data points, but early feedback on build quality is mostly positive. Battery life is straightforward. The Roborock F25 runs up to 60 minutes in Eco mode, which is enough for most full home cleans. In Max mode, that drops significantly, so larger homes may require a recharge mid-session. The Dyson WashG1 offers around 35 minutes, enough for a good-sized space, but you'll feel the limit in bigger homes. The Roborock also handles dry vacuuming, upholstery with a motorized mini brush, and crevice cleaning. The Dyson does one thing. If you already own a separate vacuum you love, that's fine. If you want to replace multiple tools with one machine, the Roborock is the only one that can do it. And here's where it all comes together. Which one is worth your money? They're in a similar price range, which makes this a genuine decision. The Dyson WashG1 is the better machine if your only goal is scrubbing smooth, hard floors, and you already have a vacuum you're happy with. It polishes floors beautifully, but the maintenance friction, sensor complaints, and limited versatility make it a harder machine to love over time. The Roborock F25 costs a bit more, but it replaces more tools, handles more surface types, and, critically, is easier to maintain consistently. Users who switched from other combo machines to the F25 tend to stick with it. If you want one machine that handles your whole home with less effort and less post-clean fuss, the Roborock is the smarter long-term investment. All right, the verdict. For most people in a busy home, the Roborock F25 is the clear winner. It handles more surfaces, replaces more tools, and the hot air drying system means you'll actually keep using it long after the novelty wears off. That last part matters more than people realize. Here's how to decide. If your priority is one machine that vacuums, mops, and maintains itself with minimal effort, buy the Roborock F25. If your priority is the best possible wet scrub on smooth, hard floors, and you already own a vacuum you love, buy the Dyson WashG1. Just go in knowing the maintenance requires more hands-on attention than advertised. And if you want to spend less, the Dyson tends to have more discounts, worth waiting for a sale before buying at full price. I'm leaving both linked in the description, with the updated price in case you want to check them out.